Welcome to Seniors Cleaning Hacks with Marcus. Before we jump in, let me ask you something. When did clutter stop being just mess and start stealing your peace? That pile on your counter, the chaos in your bag, it's not laziness, it's life happening fast. But what if I told you that reclaiming calm doesn't require an entire weekend? Today, I'm showing you 10 spots you can completely reset in just 10 minutes each. No marathon cleaning sessions, no overwhelm, just quick wins that deliver instant serenity. And hey, if this sounds like the relief you've been looking for, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right now. Trust me, your future self will thank you. Let's dive in. Number 1, tackle that nightstand. Your bedside table says a lot about how you're ending your day. Stacked books you'll never read, charging cables twisted like spaghetti, water glasses from 3 nights ago. It's visual noise right before sleep. Here's the fix. Clear everything off. Seriously, everything. Wipe the surface down with a damp cloth. Now, only return what genuinely belongs. Your current read, a lamp, maybe a small dish for your watch or rings. Everything else, find it a proper home. Pro tip from Marcus. Add something soothing here, like a lavender diffuser or a pretty water carafe. Your brain associates a tidy nightstand with rest, and that 10-minute reset can actually improve your sleep quality.
Number 2, conquer your bathroom vanity. Mornings set the tone for your entire day, and starting in chaos guarantees frustration. Your bathroom counter collects products like a magnet. Half-used lotions, random cotton swabs, 3 different moisturizers you're trying out. Stop the madness. Remove every single item. Wipe that counter until it shines. Now comes the hard part. Only put back what you genuinely use daily. Hand soap, toothbrush, your go-to face cream, that's it. Everything else goes in drawers or cabinets. Use a small decorative tray to corral your essentials and keep things contained. Bonus move, check expiration dates while you're at it. That sunscreen from 2022? Toss it. If you're finding value in these tips, drop a comment below telling me which area you're tackling first. Number 3, reclaim your entryway. First impressions matter, even in your own home. Your entryway is where the outside world meets your sanctuary, but it's also where shoes pile up, mail stacks high, and keys play hide and seek. 10 minutes fixes this. Sort everything. Mail either gets filed, acted on, or shredded. Shoes line up neatly or go in a closet. Keys need one permanent home, a decorative bowl, a wall hook, whatever works. Get a small basket or tray for daily essentials like sunglasses and lip balm. This isn't about perfection, it's about having a system. When everything has a place, the morning scramble disappears.
Number 4, clean out your daily bag. Whether it's a purse, backpack, or work tote, your daily bag becomes a portable dumpster faster than you'd believe. Crumpled receipts, ancient mints, pens that stopped working months ago. It's time for an intervention. Empty everything onto a table. Shake out those crumbs lurking at the bottom. Wipe the interior with a cleaning wipe. Now rebuild strategically, essentials only. Keep a small pouch inside for tiny items like hair ties, lip balm, and bobby pins so they don't migrate to the abyss. Your bag should support your day, not sabotage it. Number 5, the legendary junk drawer. Every home has one, and pretending otherwise is pointless. The goal isn't eliminating your junk drawer, it's taming it. Start by dumping everything out. Test those pens, half don't work anyway. Toss obvious trash. Group similar items, batteries with batteries, rubber bands with rubber bands. Here's the game changer, dividers. Small boxes, old containers, whatever creates compartments. This keeps categories separate and actually functional. Important safety note for Marcus, never store loose batteries in there. They can corrode or even spark if they touch metal objects. Find them a safer spot. And if you're enjoying these practical tips, that like button is right there. Give it a quick tap. Number 6, organize coffee and side tables. Living room surfaces attract clutter like moths to light. Remote controls, magazines, random decorative items that don't actually decorate anything. It piles up gradually until your coffee table disappears. The fix? Clear everything off, completely bare. Now add back only intentional pieces, a neat stack of your 3 favorite books, one simple candle, maybe a small vase with fresh greenery. That's it. Suddenly, your living room looks like it belongs in a design magazine instead of a storage unit. This principle works for side tables, media consoles, and any flat surface that's supposed to be decorative, not functional storage.
Number 7. Master your medicine cabinet. If you open your medicine cabinet and something falls out, we need to talk. This small space holds important health items, which means it deserves respect. Start by removing everything. Check expiration dates ruthlessly. Medications, skincare, makeup, all of it. Expired doesn't mean probably still fine. It means ineffective or potentially harmful. Wipe down every shelf. Discard empty bottles and tubes you've been saving for no reason. Reorganize by category. Skincare together, first aid together, daily medications together. Use small containers or baskets if needed. This isn't just about aesthetics, it's about safety and function. Make sure you're sharing this video with anyone who needs these quick organizing hacks. Number 8. Reset your desk space. Whether physical or digital, your workspace directly impacts productivity. For a physical desk, start with papers. File what matters, recycle what doesn't. The desktop surface should host only current essentials: planner, notepad, pen holder, device charger. Everything else is distraction. For your digital desktop, apply the same principle. Keep only active project files and frequently used programs visible. Everything else gets organized into clearly labeled folders. That visual clutter, even on a screen, drains mental energy. A clean workspace equals a clear mind, and 10 minutes delivers both. Number 9. Refresh your refrigerator door. You might not have time for a full fridge overhaul, but the door, absolutely manageable in 10 minutes. Pull everything out. Check those expiration dates. Condiments can linger way past their prime. Wipe down every shelf with a mild cleaner or vinegar solution. Now, reload strategically. Group similar items together. All dairy on one shelf, condiments on another, drinks in the tallest section. This system means you'll stop buying duplicate mustard because you couldn't find the one you already had. Every time you open that fridge, you'll see order instead of chaos. Number 10. Organize your beverage station. Whether it's a bar cart, coffee corner, or tea station, this area gets messy fast. Empty everything off. Wipe down surfaces thoroughly. Now reorganize with intention. Group mugs together. Consolidate tea bags into one container. Refill that sugar jar that's been nearly empty forever. Toss stale coffee, ancient tea bags, and those nearly empty bottles you're never going to finish. Use trays or small baskets to create zones for different beverage types. When your morning coffee routine flows smoothly because everything's organized, you'll start each day with a win. Here's what Marcus knows after years of helping people reclaim their spaces. Organization isn't about perfection. It's about systems that serve your life, not complicate it. These 10-minute resets work because they're doable. You don't need an entire day, expensive organizers, or superhuman motivation. You just need 10 minutes and a willingness to start. The secret? Maintenance. Once you've reset these areas, keep them that way with tiny daily habits. Return items to their homes immediately. Do quick evening resets, and never let clutter build past the point where it feels overwhelming. Before you go, remember to subscribe to Seniors Cleaning Hacks for more practical tips that actually fit into real life. Drop a comment telling me which of these 10 areas you're starting with today. And share this video with anyone drowning in clutter but short on time. Sometimes the best gift is knowing where to start. Your calm, organized home is just 10 minutes away. See you in the next one.